We know Mario Ramano makes spectacular feature walls, but how about an alternative to tiles in the bathroom?
It's an excellent alternative to tiles in the bathroom. One of the great things with Mario Ramano is you're working with these really large panels, and there is sort of joins through here, but you don't see it. So we can bring them together like you can see here. They slip together like really big tiles. So they're actually even quicker to install than tiles. So you're not sort of having to deal with all that grouting and all of that sort of, you know, typical sort of installation of a tile. So, and you can bring all this beautiful texture in that is really easy to sort of clean and maintain.
And from a design point of view, I mean, what we're seeing here is just a fraction of the design capability that Mario Ramano can apply to a product.
Yeah, this is just one pattern. Like you can pick from like over 40 patterns and then, you know, pick a color. It's all routed into our Austaron solid surface. So you can pick your color, pick your pattern, and we'll do all the design work for you.
Mario Ramano, not just feature walls. Think about it for your bathroom here at the Build and Design Centre, 7 days.